In the quest for radiant skin, many turn to home remedies, often believing these natural solutions to be safe and effective. However, not every remedy is beneficial. Some can inflict severe damage. Here we detail 5 common home remedies that can actually harm your skin and compromise its health, urging caution in your skincare practices. First on our list is lemon juice, a popular ingredient touted for its toning properties. While its citric acid may seem appealing, the reality is that lemon juice poses a risk due to its highly acidic nature. When applied to the skin, it can lead to irritation, dryness, and even painful burns. For those with sensitive skin, using lemon juice could result in redness and peeling, worsening your skin condition. Moreover, its photosensitivity means exposure to sunlight after application can lead to chemical burns, making it crucial to seek dermatologist-approved alternatives instead. Next, we explore the use of baking soda, a household staple often regarded as an exfoliant. While it excels in cleaning, its coarse texture can wreak havoc on the delicate skin barrier. Applying baking soda may create micro-tears, accelerating the onset of fine lines and wrinkles. For acne-prone individuals, this remedy can disturb the skin's natural pH balance, exacerbating breakouts and fostering clogged pores. Opting for a gentle exfoliator specifically formulated for facial use is a wiser choice, ensuring that your skin remains intact and healthy. Another widely used remedy is toothpaste, which many turn to in a desperate attempt to combat pimples. However, this approach is fundamentally flawed. Toothpaste contains harsh chemicals and abrasives that can irritate delicate facial skin, potentially causing dryness and scarring. In the short term, it may appear to shrivel spots, but the long-term consequences can be damaging. Instead, it's advisable to lean towards scientifically proven acne treatments that utilize ingredients like salicylic acid for effective results. Garlic, celebrated in kitchens worldwide, is often misapplied to the skin. Though its sulfur compounds boast health benefits, topical application can lead to severe irritation and allergic reactions. Those with skin sensitivities, particularly conditions like rosacea, should avoid garlic, as it can trigger flare-ups and increase inflammation. Gentle, hydrating skincare products are favored for nurturing and protecting your skin without adverse effects. Finally, hydrogen peroxide tops the list of harmful remedies. Intended for cleansing wounds, its application on the skin can lead to oxidative stress and premature aging. Moreover, it can exacerbate dark spots and may even raise the risk of skin cancer. The potential damage is far greater than any perceived benefits. Therefore, consider the long-term health of your skin before opting for these risky remedies. Your skin is an invaluable asset deserving of careful attention and respectful treatment.